Legacy Builder Program Review, Insider Tells All. If you guys don't know me, what's up? My name's Danny. I've been a digital marketer for a long time. I've done and tried everything. Today, I'm going to do an in-depth review of the Legacy Builder Program, the Legacy Builder Blueprints, and share with you my thoughts as an insider and someone who's tried every marketing course and every business opportunity you can think of. So when you look at the Legacy Builder Program, I want you to look at it from two separate lenses. Number one, it is a coaching, training, and mentor program that teaches you digital marketing, social media marketing, how to build a personal brand, and how to monetize social media. So that's the learning aspect of it. And for me, when I've looked at all of these other programs out there, one of the most important criteria for me is how much coaching, training, and mentoring are you going to get? And in my opinion, the Legacy Builder Program has the most comprehensive training of all of the different programs out there. And I'm not throwing shade on anybody else. I'm in all of these other communities. I can just see that there's way more mentorship that comes with the Legacy Builder Program. So the first thing, you're going to learn the skills to build a personal brand and monetize social media. Now, the business aspect of the Legacy Builder Program is quite genius. It is an automated online business. It is a done-for-you automated business. So what does that mean? When you join the Legacy Builder Program, you are given a website, sales funnel, and email marketing system already set up for you. You just got to create separate accounts and sort of connect everything. And actually, if you can't even do that, they'll do it for you. It comes with 4 different income streams, which is also something unique that the Legacy Builder Program has that other programs don't. It comes with a $100, $300, $600, and $900 income stream. You get to earn 100% profit on any one of those products. Type of person who's not tech savvy, you've never made money online, or you've tried different things in the past, I think the Legacy Builder Program, the Legacy Builder Blueprints, they are the most beginner-friendly, parent-friendly business opportunity available today. Me personally, I'm 48 years old. I'm a dad of 4. I have a full-time career. I run this business 1 to 2 hours a day. All I do is post content on social media. People that are interested in your business, when they see your content, they're going to go to your website. That website is going to do all of the heavy lifting for you. So you don't have to explain. You don't have to recruit. You don't have to sell. You're just creating content that's driving awareness around your business. People that are interested, they're going to go to your website. That website will do all the work. When they make a purchase, you get paid. I've had $3,000 days doing this. And for me, it's been a life-changing event. It's giving me the opportunity to have extra income in this economy that quite honestly sucks. So for me, the Legacy Builder Program is a standout business opportunity, especially if you're a busy parent, you are not tech savvy, and you've never made money.